May of '88, I had a car wreck. The doctors missed the fact that my back was broken in the emergency room. I walked around 3 weeks and it did damage.
November 2010, I had my first back surgery. I had a ruptured disc, went in, everything was fine. 3 days after surgery, pain went right back down my leg. So we had a revision 6 weeks later, and from that surgery, I have permanent nerve damage. I have numbness on the right side of my leg and my bottom of my toes.
I got hurt offshore in 1986, ruptured 5 discs in my back and a couple in my neck. And I saw a doctor in New Orleans and done 2 surgeries on me, and they sent me to Hattiesburg to a doctor up here. He'd done a fusion, and the fusion didn't work.
In April, I started having back pain that became pretty severe. I saw my general practitioner, and he referred me to an orthopedic, and I got an appointment within the next week, and so I went to see her, and she referred me to the Pain Treatment Center for further evaluation.
I couldn't continue with what I was doing. I couldn't work. I couldn't, take care of my house, couldn't take care of my children, and I had to have some relief.
I didn't cook for my family. I didn't do any laundry. I certainly didn't do any housekeeping. Even driving the car caused severe pain.
I didn't want to live anymore. I was at the point that I could not hold my children, and I was a burden on all of them. My husband, my children. I had lost my job. I'd lost my dignity.
Since coming here and since receiving the treatment that has completely eliminated all of the pain, I've been cooking for my family again, I've been cleaning, I've done all the normal chores that I, as a wife and mother, should do.
I can now cook meals. I can now walk. I can now bathe myself. I no longer have the problems with my hygiene and lack of control of my body that I didn't have at one point.
The best part of the Pain Treatment Center is, of course, seeing Dr. McKellar, getting relief, but the whole clinic is like a family.
The care I received here is definitely the word that comes to mind immediately is compassion, just because I felt that from the time, even the security guard in the building, all the way to walking in the front office in the waiting room, till the time I left in the back. I felt compassion and like they really cared about what was going on with me as a person.
Me and my wife was having a hard time because of me and my pain. And he's made it a lot better. I can deal with pain a lot better than I used to, and but I was hard to get along with when I was hurting like I was. And Dr. McKellar brought me an awful long way.
So had I not seen Dr. McKellar and received the treatments that he's given me, I would probably be on disability, at home, in a chair, on a heating pad, crying my heart out. I would be missing out on so much. They keep me going with my treatments, and we're going to have a granddaughter in February, and I'm going to be able to play with her, get on the floor with her, and do the things that grandmothers are supposed to be able to because of Dr. McKellar.